Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to turn on captions on Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to turn on captions on Amazon Prime Video, you just simply have to open this Amazon Prime Video application at first, and after opening the Amazon Prime Video application, you just simply have to select any of the content that you are watching. And whenever you go to the playable section, you will see this option into here. You just simply have to tap into that option in order to get the subtitles. Just simply tap there and this page will appear. Now from here you can select any of the subtitles that you want, but that subtitle file has to be available into that specific content. Just simply select any of the subtitle that you want. By following this very easy steps, you can easily add any of the subtitles into any of the contents if the subtitles are available. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.